Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we have a very nondescript white box in front of us. What, pray tell, is in said box? Well, I've removed the outer packaging with all the shipping information on it. But what this is a Onyx level grab bag from Monthly Knife Club. You know, I just did a grab bag from them. It's probably roughly about a month ago. You know, I do get the monthly subscription. That'll probably be coming up here in the next week or so. I already got the shipping notification. But this is the Onyx level. They actually have an Onyx level subscription. So this is a grab bag from that subscription. Knives that they may have left over that hopefully we probably haven't seen before. Now, this grab bag is the most expensive grab bag you can get from Monthly Knife Club. It is $250. I actually, when I did the last one, I got a coupon code for a little bit off. I paid like $2.25 for it, fully shipped. So let's just get into it and find out. I had a lot of fun finding out what was in the other grab bag, so I was like, let's go with the Onyx level. So it looks like we have something from CRKT, we have something from Trivisa, from Sencut, QSP, nice, and something from Bestech. Excellent. Oh, dude, we have a patch. What is this? Oh, it's an Onyx patch. Oh, dude, that's cool. Oh, sweet. We have an Onyx patch. We have a sticker. Very cool. Oh, we have a monthly. We've seen that. We saw that Monthly Knife Club sticker. I do believe we have seen this one as well. And we saw this one. You know, I believe I have all three of these stickers. So these will actually go into a giveaway. Let's get rid of the box. We're going to put that out there for the moment. And, well, you know what? Let's just do this. Because there's a note. It has my name on it. And it says, we just wanted to thank you for picking the Onyx tier grab bag. We went back, looked through your previous orders, month subscriptions, in an effort to avoid duplicates. They did that last time with the grab bag as well. Here's a layout of what we sent to you. Oh, dude. Very, very cool. All right. Total value $376 is what they put the value on this. If you have any questions or concern, please contact us. Best regards, Daryl Buckholtz, founder of Monthly Knife Club. P.S. Once again, there's no easy task because of many years you've been on the ultimate plan and grandfathered price. I'm Mad Ed, and there's a winky face. Yes, but I think we're able to pull this off for you. Dude, that is super cool. They did that very same thing when I did the other grab bag, and it was just a regular Monthly Knife Club grab bag, and that was very, very cool. It took them a while to ship it, but if they go back and do the research, you know what? That's fantastic. So absolutely awesome. I am very, very stoked. So let's do... They've got it all laid out here by price, so I'm just going to go least to most, okay? Let's just do that. So like I said, it's $250 is what this grab bag costs. They said the value is $376. Now, we've got some knives that we've definitely seen on the channel before. Maybe not necessarily from Monthly Knife Club, but that's okay. You know, I did this as an experiment just to see what we would get. And the first one we have is the Sencut Bronte. We have definitely seen the Bronte on the channel before. I'm going to take these off so they don't kind of drown out our picture. But the Bronte, it's a very, very nice knife. Let's see here. I like this knife. We have Quaborsha wood, black stonewash, 9CR18 blade for $40. I mean, Sencut always brings... Dude, that was a dropper. Is that drop shut? Does that qualify as drop shut? Even though my thumb... Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm stuck on that if you guys were on SKL. You know, it's just the way it is. But, very cool. I'm definitely digging this knife. Absolutely. I like the Bronte a lot. This guy, you know, I paid for these boxes, so they very much, some may end up in a sale, some may end up, oh, we'll leave that out there. Some may end up getting given away. We'll just have to see. I'll throw that box out of the way. And we're going to go to the next one in the price level, and it is this Trivisa. I believe we have seen this Trivisa on the channel before as well. Again, not necessarily from a monthly knife club. They've done... I just think that is super cool that they really go back and try to avoid getting anything... Sorry, getting the plastic off. Giving you duplicates. I really think that's awesome. Let's zoom in just a little bit. And this is the Bronte. That's the first one. We'll put that there. Now, if I remember correctly, the Trivisa Hummingbird is a very interesting little knife. I believe I've seen this one before. Ooh, you know, maybe not. Maybe not. You know, I'm thinking I'm confusing that. You know, I mean, we use different names. Oh, red G10. Oh, that's a nice little knife. Very cool. Let's see. Do we have a descriptor on the box? We do not. Okay. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of research on this guy. Trivisa Hummingbird. Let's see. Do we have a blade steel marking anywhere? Oh, there it is. What's that say? 14C28N. So 14C28N sure feels like G10. $46, $45.99. Dude, I'm digging that. I am absolutely digging that. This one is probably going to get a full review. Like I said, we've reviewed the Bronte on the channel before. But reversible pocket clip, deep carry. Oh, yeah. Wait, Rita. Yeah, buddy. I think that we may see this one again. And it's red and black. Come on. Very cool. All right, so we're up to like, what, 40, 80, 86 bucks as far as overall value. I'm in. I'm on it. I'm loving it. The patch, they really don't give... Let's look at that patching in. They really don't give a price on the patch, which is cool. It's just an extra with some stickers. So those will probably go in giveaways. Excellent. Nice. Oh, get that out of the way. So the next one. And I'm just going strictly by price level. The next one we have is this guy. This is in a Bestech box. The Bestech Penguin. Of course, we are all, I think most of us are familiar with a Penguin. Definitely not from Bestech, but that's okay. Oh, it looks like we have blue and black G10. Full bolster. Now, we don't get the full information on it. So, you know, that's kind of why I guess at blade steel. D2 stonewash satin. Okay, it says on the box. So, flipper, deep carry clip, not reversible. Do have a lanyard tube, though. Ooh. Oh, not bad. Oh, that feels super good in hand. The Bestech Penguin. All right. I will say right now the liner lock leaves a little bit to be desired. Not bad. I love that blade. I love that blade. Nice. Oh, yeah. That feels really, really good in hand. It's got that, it's a little bit longer. It's probably, what, 3 3/4 on the grip length. We'll definitely do that on the review, but, oh, looky there, 3 3/4. You know, I mean, I know my hand size, and I have just about 1/4 inch left, so there you go. But, yeah, I'm digging that. Yeah, I don't know about that. We'll definitely see. but super, super cool. I am digging. I'm digging it. I'm happy. Dude, this is a great box so far. So the value on the Bestech Penguin is $52. Now, we've got the CRKT. We have the Slacker. CRKT Slacker. So not a whole lot of information on this one. We've definitely maybe seen this one on the channel. I'm pretty sure we have. Oh yes, because we have got, and I gotta do it because I know I'm gonna forget. I gotta get because I want to say it's right. Confidence in hand. This is the easy takedown. The field strip. Yeah. Very cool. This is a very, very easy knife to take apart. You know, if you're not into taking knives apart, this one is very, very easy. You just pop that lever over. I'm not going to do it right now. I have done it on a previous video. What do you got there? The Slacker, Ken Onion design. Let's see, do we have a steel marking anywhere? I'm not 100% sure on what the steel, I don't remember the steel on the Slacker. It's not drop shutty. We're running on, let's see here. I know with those other knives, it kind of takes it away from it. It's definitely got to be running on washers. But I love that blade. I love the handle. Feels absolutely fantastic in hand. Deep carry, not reversible. That's part of your field strip. Just unscrew that and take it apart. Very, very cool. Maybe I'll have to do another video on the CRKT field. I haven't seen anything recently with their field strip. I haven't seen any of the newer models. If you have, leave that down in the comments. But I really haven't seen any of the newer models with the field strip on it. We have some jimping kind of out, away from the blades. So there you go. Definitely. That works. You know what? I'm digging it. Very cool. We've got some great knives in this box so far. Absolutely. And they took the time, man. That's just what. They took the time to make sure we don't get any duplicates. So now, I guess we'll call it the premium knife in this package is the QSP. You saw the QSP box. It is the Penguin Plus, the Penguin we most widely recognize, I think. 20 CV blade, aluminum foil, carbon fiber, gray, titanium handle. Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. This is the Penguin Plus. Oh, that was pretty stiff detent right off the bat. Let me see here. Good drop shut. Ooh, it's got a pretty solid detent. Yeah, it does. You know, it'll work in. There we go. It's already starting to work in. Whoa. I'm pushing on the lock bar. That's what I'm doing. There we go. That's better. Oh, yeah. Dude, the Penguin Plus. It's the premium version of the Penguin. Obviously, 20 CV steel. Wire clip going on. A lanyard tube. It is a reversible clip. Lanyard hole, I should say, not tube. 20 CV blade. Oh, man. Very nice. We've seen many versions of the Penguin Plus on the channel. Excellent. I can tell you right now, that one will probably it'll end up one of two things. It'll either end up on a sale or it'll end up as a members only giveaway. That's the two options for it. For sure. But I am definitely digging on that. Very, very nice. And if it ends up on a sale, I mean, you guys know me. It's going to go at a stupid low price. So, I am super, super stoked. I am very stoked. We have some knives that we've seen on the channel before, as always, with these grab bags, with these monthly knife club boxes. That is, you know, a risk that you take. Absolutely 100%. We've got a couple that we haven't. I know I haven't seen the Hummingbird. I'm pretty sure it's been quite a while. But the Bestech Penguin, that takes a little bit getting used to. No offense to Bestech, but when it comes to the Penguin, the QSP is the Penguin. It just is. Absolutely. It's by far QSP's most popular brand. They've done all sorts of, you know, advertising, merchandising around it. Absolutely. It really, really put QSP on the map. There's so many versions. So you've got the Bronte from Sencut. You've got the Hummingbird from Trivisa. We've got the Bestech Penguin. We have the CRKT Slacker with the field strip technology. And then you have the Premium Penguin Plus from QSP. So, total value $376. Like I said, normal box would be $250 plus shipping. I paid like $2.25 because they gave me a coupon code. I think from ordering the other grab bag, they gave me a coupon code, which was cool. Awesome. Got a little bit of a discount. I paid about $2.25. So basically, if I add up some of these prices, almost 3 of these knives were free. So I cannot complain. The value is there. Some will end up in giveaways. Some will end up on sales. Some will get reviewed. A couple will definitely get reviewed. And you know what? We may do a rehash video on the field strip technology. Just because. Why not, right? So we'll see. But guys, this is the Onyx tier grab bag. They have an Onyx level subscription every month. It's separate, obviously, from the Ultimate Knife Club name brand subscription that I get every month. But I think there was, if I remember correctly, there was 4 levels of the regular-ish, the regular Knife Club grab bag, and then you have the Onyx level grab bag. So, very cool. Some awesome knives for sure. Huge shout out to Monthly Knife Club, especially for going through the process and making sure that they don't get any repeats. Because I'm sure, a knife that ends up in a regular knife, the Ultimate Knife Club name brand subscription, there may be some crosstalk between the Onyx on these lower level knives. I get that. Absolutely. They have to use the stock that they have. 100%. Totally understand that. But it's very, very cool that they go through, they took the time. Yeah, it took a little bit of time to ship. I am not knocking that at all because they went through and did this. So, hey, Daryl, if you watch this, I don't know if you will, I probably won't put you through this anymore, but I really just wanted to see what come in the Onyx level. So thank you so much for doing the work and going through and just really taking the time. I appreciate that as a consumer. I appreciate that as a content creator. It's just, it's very, very cool. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a great week coming up, and I will see you on the next one. Just remember, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.